Yeah, so I pretty much got this bad boy started back up because I definitely need to start messing with this thing and making some parts rather than outsourcing, but there we go. Sound like we need some more motor tuning. I need to install some limit switches, which I do have them, but there's the ports, the one with the raw wires. Those are for the limit switches. I haven't wired them up. And there goes the limit switches right here. But yeah, I also need to get a bigger vise or a better vise because that's a no-no. But yeah, that's the machine. I had converted this thing probably like early last year. I designed all the parts in Fusion 360, all that crap. But this one I need to make thicker. Or I probably just machine a part, just drill holes pretty much. 1, 2 hole and then the middle hole for the, we call that crap? The ball screw, and then just bolt it on together. Cause it's not worth it to remachine this thing. But yeah. That is it. I even got these caps on there. Look at that. This one needs some double side tape. But that's my machine. That's it right here. So that's pretty much the Chinese version of the Enco. Yeah, it all works. I need to get a battery for this laptop or get a different laptop because it dies pretty fast.